How to cancel Fabletics VIP membership. I'm going to tell you how to cancel your Fabletics VIP membership. The easiest way is to log into your account on the Fabletics website, go to my account, then my VIP, and scroll down until you see the cancel membership option. It might look like a regular text link, but it's clickable. Just follow the prompts to confirm. If you prefer speaking to someone, you can call their customer service at 1-844-322-5384, which is available 24/7. Alternatively, you can reach out via live chat, Facebook Messenger, or email at support@fabletics.com. There's no cancellation fee, and once canceled, you can still shop at retail prices and use any remaining VIP credits, which expire after 12 months. Just remember to cancel before the 6th of the month to avoid the $59.95 charge.